One of the jobs I've been doing this week is this GPZ 305, and I've got it in to do some service work on it and get it running properly really. It's getting sold, the bike's getting sold, so it just wants some jobs to get it up to scratch, get it through the MOT so it can go up for sale. So as you can see, the bike's got really low mileage. It's in great condition for its age. I say it's in great condition apart from it's got a dent in the side of the tank. But it's original, I guess. It's an old bike. A lot of people could probably live with that. So what I've done so far is I've removed these carbs. I've stripped them down, I've put them in the ultrasonic cleaner because the bike was running like a bag of spanners. So they've been in the ultrasonic cleaner, I've got them back out, I've reassembled them. I've now found that the bike has got a badly damaged throttle cable. So I've ordered a new throttle cable and I'm going to put that on next. New cable, courtesy of eBay. Look at the state of that. No wonder it won't work properly. I don't know. New cable. Feed that up there. Twist it around a few times. If it'll go in. She doesn't want to go. Slippery little footer. Right, I've got the new cable fed through there now, down here, and now I've got to get that fastened onto the carb. So they are a bit of a pain in the ass, but I'm thinking I'm going to put it on here first and then connect it up at the throttle. Then I'll take the slack out of it down here. That's what I'm thinking anyway. So that one wants to go down there. That's one on. So now I've got to sort these cables at this end. And that wants to be going around there like that. So we'll get that one on first. That's gone around there again because it wants to be a pain in the ass. It wants to be around there. Let me get some more adjustment out of that. Well, that's the new throttle cable fitted. And all I've got to do now is fit the carbs and take up the adjustment. So they're just resting in there at the moment. They're going to be a right pain in the backside to get in there. I can see it coming. Well, I've got them carbs on there, and I've decided that the cables were in the wrong position up here. I think what's happened is some wallop, they had these cables and they were routed under here, and they seemed tight, and I looked at it and I thought, doesn't seem right that. I rerouted them anyway that way before because I thought, no, it must be the way it's supposed to be, but I didn't. Anyway, in the end, I didn't think it was. So I've ended up. What I've done is I removed this cowl. I undid the headlight, and I managed to sneak this under there and up through here. So that's what I've done. I've repositioned the cables and I've oiled them with some ACF 50, and well, that speaks for itself. I've connected up the two pipes to the tank there. I don't know which one goes where, so I'm just taking a bit of a lucky guess. Well, I'm going to get fired up because I've got to do the oil next, so we'll find out if those fuel pipes are the right way around. I should have known it would have been too good for everything to have gone to plan. Anyway, so I turned the fuel on and fuel started pissing out of one side of the carb. It was overflowing into the cylinder, and the problem is this fuel inlet valve for one side of the carb, for one of the carbs. So I've now got to order another one of these and wait for that to come before I can further get on with the bike. So this job's now laid up for a few more days. So fuck it. I'm going to get changed and I'm going to go out on my bike.